We're going to look at arc length and area of a sector. This first question is going to kind of lead us into the formulas. Will just ate a quarter of a large pizza. If the radius of the pizza was 10 inches, what's the area of the amount he ate? So if he just ate a quarter of it and the radius is 10 inches, what's the area of the amount that he ate? Well, the area of the whole circle is pi r squared, so we need to do pi times 10 squared, and we get about 314.15 inches squared. But that's for the whole circle. He only ate a fourth of the pizza, so I'm going to multiply that by a fourth, and we get about 78.54 inches squared. So to find the area of a sector, the formula is pi r squared times a fraction, because we only want a portion of the circle. And that's going to be the angle measure, whatever this is, out of 360 degrees. So we kind of used a reduced fraction, but we could have multiplied by, that's 90 degrees over 360, a full circle, which ends up being a fourth. And that's going to be the same for arc length. So if you're looking at an arc length, that's going to be a portion of the circumference. So arc length, S stands for arc length, is 2 pi r, because that's like your circumference, but you don't want the whole circumference, you only want a portion of it. So you multiply it by the measure of the angle over 360. So for this one, find the arc length of arc AB. We want to find that arc length. Well, we know we can do 2 pi r, but then we need to multiply it by the measure over 360. So the circumference, 2 pi r, that's 2 times pi times 3. And then to make it just this portion, we'll multiply it by 120 over 360. And we get about 6.28 inches.